speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us.
Hello friends, we are in Tagil. Today is sunny with a temperature of 30 degrees. The weather is very beautiful, nice and warm here, so it'll be cool. So let's recall China, 150 steps. And here is the same mountain, but now not China, but Nizhny Tagil. Additionally, there are 150 steps. I'm told here that I went too far by comparing China to Tagil. Well, what? It appears to me fairly respectable, rather. Deservedly, right? It feels remarkably similar. Actually, it's so hot. It seems like we're somewhere at the sea, not in Tagil. Funny, but here it really feels like that. There are still these boats, catamarans everywhere. Just a complete feeling of another country. So guys, I'm in the shade. I can take you off, tell you something, how in general everything was fine on this one too. Here, enjoy. In general, you know, it's kind of a city. Here it is just wonderful for summer when you can swim, ride, walk. We are going further to the embankment, further away.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want.
Guys, we had a ride on this amazing boat. In general, just say it's wonderful, super easy. Yes, he drove so fast, so brilliantly. Splash is still flying. Wind in face, water, hot, cold, unclear, nothing clear. Overall, wonderful, very beautiful. Guys, I am just in a cultural shock, firstly from what I saw in the grocery store. I didn't know such things were possible at all. Is it so cool there? Immediately sold meat, cheese, pastries, and something of their own, in general, at all. Secondly, I am shocked by the beauty of the city. He is, first of all, huge. Homes are so wonderful. I didn't know, honestly. Underestimated the legs, underestimated